The common term of number pattern Tn equal 5 minus 3n. Write down the first three terms. First question, I will do it here. Tn equals 5 minus 3n. T1, first term. 5 minus 3 into 1. T1 equals 5 minus 3. T1 equals 2. T2 equals 5 minus 3n. T2 equals 5 minus, instead of n, you can write 3 into 2. T2 equals 5 minus 6. T2 equals minus 1. Then third term, first three terms asking, no? We have mentioned first term is 2, second term is minus 1. Then I use this space to do the other part of this one. T3, third term. General term 5 minus 3n. T3 equals 5 minus 3 into 3. T3 equals 5 minus 9. T3 equals minus 4. Then T3, 4. Then 2 minus 1 minus 4. These are the first three terms of this. Find 12th term of it. Then T12. Then we can write T12 equals 5 minus 3n. T12, 5 minus 3 into 12. T12 equals 5 minus 3 times 12, 36. T12 equals 5 minus 36, how much? Minus 31. They are asking here 12th term. Then T12, 12th term equals minus 31. These are the first three terms of this. Which term of this number pattern is minus 25? Which term the minus 25 has given? Then I will just, someone want to write down පුතේ කාටද ලියන්න ඕනද මේ ටික? Shall I clear this now? Clear කරන්නද?
Teacher,
ඔව් පුතේ. කියන්න.
so I have to write.
Alright, write down then. මේ ටික ලියා ගන්න පිළිවෙලට question number 8 කියලා දාලා just write down like this. Which term of this pattern is minus 25? The general term is this one. Then Tn has given here. Tn equal minus 25. So you can write here 5 minus 3n equals minus 25. So you can write here minus 3n equals minus 25. Borrow this 5 to this side, minus 5. Minus 3n equals minus 30. Both sides divide by minus 3. Then this side also divide by minus 3. Answer is n equals 10. N equals 10. Then on a like yesterday, express n minus 1 term. Instead of n place, substitute n minus 1th term. So I will clear only this side now. Only this side. ලියා ගන්න. තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් ඔන්න ඔයාලා දෙවෙනි පාරට වැඩ රිපීට් කරනවා. පළවෙනි පාඩම second lesson also I have send you. මම නිකම්ම යන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ ටික explain කරගෙන තමයි යන්නේ. We are at third lesson in the class now. තුන්වෙනි පාඩමේ ඉන්නේ. Right? Then fourth one. Express n minus 1th term. So we have to write here Tn general term එක 5 minus 3n. Instead of n we can substitute here Tn minus 1th term we have to find equals 5 minus 3. Substitute the n minus 1 here. Then Tn minus 1 equals 5. Here 3 times n minus 3 times n minus 3n minus 3 times minus 1 plus 3. Then you can write Tn minus 1 equals whole number 5 and 3, 8 minus 3n. Tn minus 1 equals 8 minus 3n. Now up you have n minus 1 term. என்ன මේක? Putih, shall I clear now?
Okay, teacher.
All of you
Okay.
finish. Right. If not, tell me. Right. Now we have to go to next question. Question number 9. In term of number pattern 3n minus 3. Write down the first 3 terms. I think you can start to do it without my help. Then පටන් ගන්න කරන්න. Then after that you can check the answers. Hi. I just start to do first 3 terms. General term is here. T n equals 3n minus 3. T1 equals 3 into 1 minus 3. T1 equal first term is 3 minus 3. T1 equals 0. First term is 0. Second one, T2 equals 3n minus 3. T2 equals 3 into 2 minus 3. T2 equals 6 minus 3. T2 equals 0. T2 is 0. Then first 3 terms asking us to find. I just find the T3 here. Equals 3n minus 3. T3 equals 3 into 3 minus 3. T3 equals 9 minus 3. T3 equals 6. How would they tell you?
The second one is 3 or 0.
Make it 3 minus make it pute.
Yes, teacher.
3 eh? 0 නෙමෙයි මේක 0 මේක 3 මේක 6. හරි. first 3 terms මේ මම ඔයාලා මෙතන ඉඳ තියනවා නම් හදන්න මට නැති නිසා මම මෙතන හැදුවේ නැත්තේ. අනිත් එක I want to explain you. අර ක්ලාස් එකේ හිටපු නැති අයටත් explain වෙන්න ඕන නිසා methodically කරන්න ඕන නිසා I am using this space and doing. If not you when your term test cities came you just do the workings also. හරිද? workings උත් එක්ක මේ විදිහට just do it here. Then only you are getting the marks. මෙම උත්තර තුන දැම්මා කියලා විතර ලකුණු හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. Find the 21st term. 21st term. Find the 21st term. So how can we write? T n equals Tn minus 3. T21 equals Tn minus 3. T21 equals 3 into 21 minus 3. T21 equals 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 63 minus 3. T21 equals how much? 60. That is 60. Next one, express n minus 1 term in terms of n. Then we have to find the which term then? N minus 1th term. So you can substitute. Someone is writing කවුරු හරි ලියනවද?
No, teacher.
I clear this side. They are asking n minus 1 term. First write t n equals 3n minus 3. T n minus 1. N වෙනුවට n minus 1 දාන්න. 3 substitute. N place replace n minus 1 minus 3. T n minus 1 equals 3 into n, 3n, 3 times 1 minus 3 minus 3. Then Tn minus 1 equals, look at here, 3n minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. So this is the answer. 3n minus 6 is the answer here. The general term, n minus 1 term is Tn minus 1 equals 3n minus 6 is the answer here. Okay, write down next one then. Next question. The common term of number pattern is Tn equals 40 minus 4n. Find first three terms. Tenth one. Tenth question. Find 10th term of it. Common number pattern is Tn equal 40 minus 4n. Tn equals 40 minus 4n. In a first three terms, T1 equals 40 minus 4 into 1. Then T1 equals 40 minus 4. T1 equals 36. We got here T1 is 36. Then T2 equals 40 minus 4 into 3. T2 equals 40 minus 12. T2 equals 40 minus 12 is how much? 30. 4 times 3, 12. 40 minus 2 the no 3 නෙමෙයි පුතේ 2. 2 plus 4 8. That is 32. T2. T3 ඊළඟ එක 12 T3 equals 40 minus 4 into 3. T3 equals 40 minus 12, that is 28. T3 equals 28. Oh, now I just got the first three terms of this thing. මොකද T1 එක කීයද 36, T2 is 32, T3 is 28. Find the 10th term of it. එහෙනම් T10 equals 40 minus 4 into 10, 10th term. 0 ne? T10 equals 40 minus 40, that is equal 0. 10th term is 0. 10th term 0. N minus 1th term. Ekat easy neda. Just we can write here T n plus 1 equal. Savindi, can you understand?
Yes.
හරි. පළවෙනි පාඩමට හිටියේ නෑනේ. ඒක හින්දා තමයි මම ඔක්කොටම තේරෙන්න මේ පේපර් එක කරන්න දැම්මේ. ඒතර මට චුට්ටක් එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. දෙවෙනි එකත් ඒ විදිහට එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරන්නම්. හරි. 40 minus n plus 1. Here upper term is 4. General term is 4 into n instead of n plus 1. So you can write 40 minus 4 times n, 4n plus 4 times 1, 4. Then you can write here 40 plus 4, 44 minus 4n. The tn plus 1 equals, so we can write here 40 plus 4, 44 minus 4n. This is the n plus 1th term. Finish writing this. 40. ඔන්න මම මිස්ටේක් එකක් මෙතන කරලා මේ මයිනස් එන්න ඕනේ. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න පුතේ. 36 minus 4 එන්නේ. මොකද මෙතන මයිනස් නේ තියෙන්නේ, minus into plus 1 minus 4. Then you can write the answer Tn plus 1 equals 40 minus 4, 36 minus 4n. This is the answer here. Fourth one. Show that 50 cannot be term of this pattern. Oh, 50 වෙන්න බෑ කියලා. ඒ කියන්නේ Tn එක දීලා තියෙනවා Tn equals 50 කියලා. අපි මේක දාලා මේක substitute කළා. මෙන්න මේ Tn place එකට substitute කළා solve කරාට පස්සේ if the fraction decimal came, it can't be එන්නේ. ඔයා පන්තියේ 1.5 place එකේ කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ. 1.5 කියන්නේ නැහැ පන්තියේ වෙනියා කියද්දි. I am 2.5 කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ නේද? That is a whole number. ඒ වගේ මේ number එකේ value place එකත් ඇවිල්ලා whole number. So can't be a fraction. So if it is wrong. එහෙනම් බලමු if it came fraction or decimal value, so it can't be a number of this general term. Right? Okay, then I will just take this one. What is the general term here? 40 minus 4n equals 50. 50 මේ term එකේ number එකක් නෙවෙයි කියලා කියන්න ඕන. බලමු. minus 4n. Borrow this 40 to this side. මම අර ඉස්සර කාලේ වගේ දෙපැත්ත මේ here plus 40 here minus 40. එහෙම balance කර කර හදන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. දැන් ලොකුයිනේ. ඔයාලට පේනවා මේක plus 40. Plus 40 when we are borrowing to this side, it's become minus. Equal sign එකේ මේ පැත්තට යද්දි it's become minus. Positive become minus value. 50 minus 40. In minus 4n equals 10. Both sides divide by minus 4. මේ පැත්තත් minus 4. This side also minus 4. n equals minus 2.5. වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? No. වෙන්න බෑ. n cannot be negative number. හරි? negative වෙන්නත් බෑ, fraction වෙන්නත් බෑ. So we can write the answer here. n cannot be negative number. So 50 can't be term of this number pattern. Then we can write n can't be negative number. So that 50 can't be a term of this pattern. Just write down this. So that minus 80 is a term of this pattern. Find the number of terms from 5th term to minus 80 term. Terms ගන්න හොයන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. Minus 80 is a term of this pattern. That one also you have to do like this. කොහොමද හදන්නේ? We can write here 40 minus 4n equals minus 80. Solve this one. n එක හොයාගන්න. හරි? එහෙනම් 40 then minus 4n මම කියවනේ දැන් ඔයාලා ලොකුයි කියලා minus 80. මෙන්න 40 is here. Borrow this to this side. It's become minus 40. Then minus 4n equals minus 80 and minus 40. How much here? Minus 120. Both side divide by minus 4. This side also divide by minus 4. N equals how much here? 30. N can 30. 30th number is tamai avilla minus 80 වෙන්නේ. N is 30. Then they are asking number of terms. ගාන කීයද? 30 නේ. එහෙනම් 30 terms are there. N equals fifth answer. N equals 30. The number of terms also 30, the 30th one. Okay, write down this. Okay, write down. N equals 30. I will clear this. Already leave නැත්තම් කියන්න. If someone wants, tell me. Oh, sorry. This one. Now we have to find the general term. I told you several times how to find the general term. When you are finding general term, I told you yesterday also, what you have to do? You have to මොකද කරන්නේ? N into common difference plus first term minus common difference. Then you are getting the general term, right? Right. Then we'll see then first one. Here 4, 6, 8, 10. Find the difference between two consecutive terms of each of the number pattern. Write down the relevant multiple that can be used to build up common pattern for each of the following. Find the difference between two consecutive terms of each of the number pattern. Write down relevant multiple that can be used to build up common pattern for each of the following. So we'll see then. First one, 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4, that is equals to. Even 8 minus 6, that is also 2. Second one, 9 minus 6. 12 minus 9 also 3. 15 minus 12 also 3. Right? You can write the answer like this. Next one, 7 minus 5. That is also 2. 48 minus 52. Okay, any term except the first term, subtract the previous term, then you can get the common difference. Any term except the first term, subtract the previous term, then you are getting the common difference. Then 48 term from that subtract 52. First term. Then you are getting here minus 4. Here common difference is minus 4. May add 52 waliන් 48 you can't subtract, right? Then next one 7.5. Subtract 5. Then what is the common difference here? 2.5. Right. They are asking us to find the common difference here. Third question. Find n term of each of the following number patterns. This means you have to find general term. General term also, I know that it is easy for you to find how. First term is here. When we are finding general term, I just use another space for doing this thing. මෙතන හදන්නත් පුළුවන්. නේද? ඔයාලා හැමෝම පැමිණියේ නම්. කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Common difference එක 15 subtract 8. How much is here? 7. Here also 7. Here also 7. And මොකද common difference? 7 into n plus first term 8 minus 7. So you can write the general term 7n plus 1. මේක තමයි general term එක. එම ලියන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි මම දැන් අද ක්ලාස් එකට කියන්නේ අපේ lesson එක කරපු නැති අය ඉන්නවනේ. ඒ නිසා මම ඒ ගාන මෙතන හදනවා. හරි? ඔයාලා හදද්දී එකපාරටම බැරි නම් මෙහෙම කරන්න. First term කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේක. That is represented by using A. Right? Common difference we represent by using D. That is, කොහොමද අපි හෙව්වේ? Any term except the first term subtract the previous term. එහෙනම් just multiply 15 subtract 8. That is 7. එහෙනම් we have learned a formula to find the general term. මොකද්ද? Common difference into n plus first term minus common difference. මේක use කරලා අර chart ගහගෙන දිගට හදන්න එකත් පුරුදු වෙන්න පුතේ. එකත් පුරුදු වෙන්න ඕන අපි. එහෙම හදන්නේ නැතුව අපිට තප්පරෙන් දෙකෙන් උත්තරය ගන්න පුළුවන්. Common difference is how much here? 7n plus first term is 8 minus common difference 7. 7n plus 1. Then මේ 7n plus 1. ඉතින් මට නම් ටක් ගාලා උත්තරේ දාන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙම කරන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ හිටියේ නැත්තම් ක්ලාස් එකට දැන් අද understand කරගන්න. Then second one I am going to try. First term A equals 4. Common difference D equals 6 minus 4. That is 2. Then we can write that general term Tn equals D into n plus first term minus D. Then you can write common difference is 2 into n plus first term is 4 minus 2. Then we can write 2n plus 2. Then our general term, I just write it here. 2n plus 2. Hurry, it was the third one. I will do the third one here. First term, A equals 6. Common difference D equals 10 minus 6. That is 4. And we can write general term Tn equal. We can write common difference into n plus first term minus common difference. So now substitute the value. Tn general term equal common difference 4 into n plus first term 6 minus 4. Then Tn equals 4n plus 2. And we write it here 4n plus 2. Right. Savindhi, can you understand this?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Next one. අපි general term එක හොයනවා මෙයාගෙත්. First term A equal 6. Common difference D equals 10 minus 6, that is 4. Then we can write general term D into n first term minus D. Add කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. Then we can write general term equals D කියන්නේ here 4n plus first term 6 minus 4. Then Tn equals 4n plus 2. And you can write the answer here, 4n plus 2, general term. For the fifth one also, we have to find the general term. Now can you find alone? Then පුළුවන් තනියම හොයන්න නේද? Okay, I clear this one now. Then class එකට හිටපු නැති කට්ටිය පළවෙනි පාඩම තනියම ගණන් ටික හදන්න පටන් ගන්න. දැන් මේකෙන් කියලා දුන්නානේ. first lesson එක කරලා you can නෑ වීඩියෝ එකේ නම් දාලා නෑ. වීඩියෝ දාලා තියෙන binary numbers වල ඉඳලා. ඒකින්ද binary numbers ඕනනම් වෙබ්සයිට් එකට ගිහිල්ලා ඒකේ බලන්න පාඩම. Fifth one, 3, 8, 13, 18. So first term A equals 3, common difference D equal 8 minus 3, that is 5. Then we can write the general term for this. The general term is how much here? Tn equals common difference 5n first term 3 minus 5 में एक minus value का Tn equals 5n minus 3 minus 5 is mean minus 2. 5n minus 2. Then here you can write the answer 5n minus 2. Next one, sixth one. Here 1, 3, 5, 7. So yeah, write the first term A equals 1. Common difference D equals 3 minus 1, that is 2. So you can write general term common difference 2 into n plus first term 1 minus common difference 2. Then you can write 2n minus 1. මේ උත්තර ටික ගත්තද? ගත්තා නම් okay. So I know you know very well. So we have to go to next question. Okay, I will clear this. හදලා ඉවරයි නේද පුතේ? Risandi?
Yes, teacher.
We have done up to sixth one. We have remained some part. We have to find the general term of seventh. This one. I have done up to sixth, seventh one. Fractions and decimals also here. And we'll do this one also then. If I do either side of this, you can understand නේද පුතේ මේ පේනව නේද ඔයාලට? මේ දෙපැත්තේ කරාම පේනවනේ? We have to do the seventh one. This one. 52. First term is what? A equals 52. Common difference D equals 48 minus 50. Right. Something happened. Right, we'll do it again. I just do this one. Something happened. First term a equals 52. Common difference equals 48 minus 52, that is minus 4. Then general term Tn equals common difference minus 4 into n plus first term minus 52 minus minus 4. So minus में plus नहीं the plus 52 है. 52 inside the bracket I will write minus minus 4. Right, then we can write here minus 4. Then you can write here Tn equals minus 4n plus 52 minus into minus plus, then 56. So this is the general term. Even you can adjust like this, Tn equals 56 minus 4n. Even if you write like this also correct. So this is the answer for this, right? You can write the general term for this, 56 minus 4n. This thing, first term, A, 8 question, right? Question number 8. A equals 2.5. Common difference, except first term, subtract the previous. And 4 minus 2.5. 4 minus 2.5, how much? 4 subtract 2, 2. 2 subtract half, 1.5. Then we can write common difference is 1.5. Even at 1.5 even you can write. Then we can write the general term Tn equals common difference into n. Then you can write 1.5 n plus first term 2.5, right? Minus common difference here 1.5. Then you can write Tn equals 1.5 n plus 2.5, 1.5 here 2.5 pulling 1.5 subtract, that is 1. This is the answer. Tn equal 1.5 n plus 1. Then you can write here 1.5 n plus 1. Next one, question number 9. First term A equals 0.5. Common difference D equals 0.8 minus 0.5, 0.3. Then we can write Tn equals මොකද general term එක common difference n into common difference, right? 0.3 into n plus first term 0.5 minus 0.3. Then you can write here Tn equals 0.3n plus 0.5 minus 0.3, 0.2. This is the answer. This one then 0.3n plus 0.2. decimal තිබුණා කියලා fraction තිබුණා කියලා proceed එක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ බය වෙන්නත් එපා. හරි මොකක් හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් then you ask, right? Question number 10. First term A equals 7. Common difference 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. Now write general term, first term, sorry, common difference into n. Common difference is how much? Minus 3 into n. Minus 3 into n plus first term 7 minus minus 3. Common difference. Tn equals minus 3n. Here we can write 7. 7 plus 3. Yeah? So minus into minus plus. Ne? So Tn equals minus 3n plus 10. Right? You can write the answer here. Minus 3n plus 10. Sorry. Here. Chanuli understood this one? Chanuli?
Yes, teacher.
Right. And now we are going to this one. The following patterns are formed by using matchsticks. What is the total number of matchsticks needed to complete the pattern 1? 4. Here you can see 4. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. What is the total number of needed to pattern 1? That is 4. What is the total number of matchsticks needed to complete pattern 2? That is how much? 7. Metika hadala ivarayida? Savindi finish?
Yes, teacher.
Not a Metika on so I just keep like this. Yes. Next one. They are asking here, what is the total number of matchsticks needed to complete nth pattern? Oh, then we have to find the general term. I use this space then. You can see this is 4, this is 7, this is 10. First write like this. 4, 7, 10. Pattern එක ලියන්න. එහෙනම් first term is here what? A equals 4. Common difference how much here? 7 subtract 4, 3. Common difference 3. Then you have to find the general term. Tn equal n pattern එක මේ හොයන්න මම මේක හොයන්න මෙතන Tn equal plus common difference into n. Then d into n plus a minus d. මේක ලියා ගන්න. First term එකෙන් d අඩු කරනවා. එහෙනම් d කියන්නේ කීයද? 3n plus a is 4 minus 3, that is 1. Answer 3n plus 1. කොච්චරද? 3n plus 1. Then total number of matchstick needed to complete 10th pattern. And I do this sum here. Then question number, fourth part of this question. Fourth part here. Tn equals 3n plus 1. T10 තහන්නේ නේද? T10 equals 3 into 10 plus 1. T10 equals 30 plus 1. T10 equals 31. That's all. 31 matchstick we need to make the 10th pattern. මේ pattern එකේ 10th එක හදන්න we need 31 matchsticks. Okay, I will clear this now. Srisandhi, shall I clear this one now?
Okay, teacher.
Which pattern of this arrangement can be formed by using 301 matchstick? අපිට general term එක කීයදායි පුතේ? කියන්නකෝ ඔයාලා ලියාගත්තා නම්? 3n plus 1. Right? Fifth one එක මේකේ පස්වෙනි එක මම හදලා නැහැ. 3n plus 1 එක තමයි general term. ඒගොල්ලෝ අහනවා 301 matchstick වලින් which pattern arrangement? pattern එක number එක කීවෙනි එකද 301 matchstick වලින් හදන්නේ කියලා අහන්නේ. n එක n place එක කීයද කියලා. හරි, just we can substitute. 3n plus 1 equals 301. 3n equal දැන් ඔයාලා බබාලන්නේ මේනේ නේද plus 1 එක මේ පැත්තට ගෙනියනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ minus 1. 301 minus 1. 3n equals here 300, both side divide by 3, right? n equals 100. Given ekada 100 pattern. We are getting 100th pattern. Next one. Figure shows how decoration is made using electric bulbs for a Vesak panel. Next one, bulbs are fixed such that 4 in the first pattern, 8 in the second, in the third. How many bulbs are fixed to the fifth pattern? First one, 4. I can write T1. පළවෙනි එකේ 4. Second pattern එක term 2 එක 8. I'm that easy for us. T3 third pattern 1 2 3 12 like this. How many bulbs are fifth pattern? So we have to find the general term first. Like a normal sum. They have given the diagram like this. First one there are 4, second term 8, third term 12. So we are going to find the general term. Then only we can find this one. So I am just going to find the general term. First term here equals 4. Common difference D equals 8 minus 4. That is 4. So we can write general term Tn equal common difference into n. 4 into n. Then plus first term 4 minus common difference also how much here? Common difference also 4. Then Tn, multiple of 4 neda make a Tn equals 4n. Multiple of 4, and we just get in the general term 4n. And we can write here Tn equals 4n. Then fifth pattern T5 equals 4 into 5. There are 20 bulbs are there in the fifth pattern. There are 20 bulbs. Find out into which pattern that 48 bulbs. Then they are asking 48. Here we can write 20 bulb. Find out which pattern that 48 bulbs are fixed. Just take them. We can write 4n equals 48 divide by 4 divide by 4. Then 12th. Then you can write here 12th pattern. 12th pattern. Twelfth pattern. I think you finished, right? Channel, you finished doing this?
Yes, teacher.
What is the total number of bulbs needed for the first 5 patterns? Total number of bulbs. So I just write here first one. T1 how many bulbs are there? I will do it here. This is multiple of 4. Ne? This is multiple of 4. So you can write here T1, first pattern, it is 4. T2, that is how much? 8. T3, that is 12. T4, that is how much? 16. අපි T5 එකත් හොයාගත්තා. 20. 4 by 4 increase ඉන්නේ නේද? මෙහෙමනේ. bulbs ගන්න හොයන්න මේ ටික add කරනවා. 4 and 8, 12 and 12, 24, 24 and 16. 40, 40 and 20, 60. We can write here how many bulbs? 60. ඒක තේරෙනවද පුතේ? එම ලියා ගන්න 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20. That is how many bulbs are there? We need 60 bulbs we need. This thing I will just start to do here. Chanviti's mother opened a saving account in a bank on her first birthday by depositing 1,000 rupees. First birthday. Issaram she deposit 1,000 rupees. On her second birthday, deposits 1,500. On her third birthday, she deposits 2,000. What is the amount should be deposited on the 18th birthday? First, we have to find the general term. Ne? Enam balamu 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. First term A equals 10. Common difference 500 ne 1,500 minus 1,000. That is 500. Then you can find the general term Tn equal first common difference into n plus first term 1,000 minus 500 common difference adu kara. Then Tn equals 500n plus then 1,000 minus 500 500. 500n plus 500 ne. Ena මෙයා අහන්නේ මෙයාගේ 18 birthday එකට. Ena we can write Tn general term is 500n plus 500. 18 birthday එකට how much is going to deposit there? Tn equals 500 into 18 plus 500. 18. T18 equal 0, 0, 5 times 8, 40. For reminder, 5, 5 and 4, 9 plus this 500. එයා 18 birthday එකට කීයක් එන deposit කරනවා 9,500 rupees. මේක තේරුණාද රිසදි? Can you understand this?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, write down this. Okay, I will clear this. Make chutta පැහැදිලි මදි. A wire is cut into pieces such that each is 5 centimeter longer than the length of the preceding piece. the shorted piece is 10 centimeter long. Write the length of the first 3 pieces cut. Write the length of the n piece terms of n. What is the length of 80th piece? Anyhow, we can read it a little bit not clear. Okay, I just start to do it here. A wire such that each is 5 centimeter longer than the length of the preceding pieces. Shortest piece is 10 centimeter long. 10 shortest one is 10 centimeter. And next one is 15 centimeter. Next one 20. Shortest is 10 centimeter. So you can write here, write the length of first 3 pieces. Then 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter. Write the length of n piece. Then we have to find the general term for this. First term A equals 10. Common difference D equals 15 minus 10, that is 5. Then general term Tn equal common difference into n. 5 into n. Plus first term 10 minus common difference. So this is the general term. Tn equals 5n plus 10 minus 5, 5n plus 5. So you can write Tn equals 5n plus 5. It was what is the length of 80th piece? piece. This is the working of the second one. Third one. And T8 equals 5 into 8 plus 5. T8 equals 40 plus 5. T8 equals 45. 45 centimeter, write the unit also. Then you can write 80th piece equals 45 centimeter. Right. I just do the 8th question here. Consider the number pattern 16, 13, 10. Write the expressions for the terms of n for n term of patterns. Yeah. That is easy for you now. A equals 16, common difference. Any term except the first term, subtract the previous term. Then we are getting common difference, right? 13 minus 16 minus 3. Then you can write general term Tn equal n into d, first common difference into n, plus first term 6a minus common difference. Tn equals n is how much here? No, d is how much here? Minus 3. Minus 3n plus first term is 16 minus 3. මොකද minus නේ උත්තරේ? minus 3. Tn equals minus 3n. The minus and minus plus ne adding. 16 plus 3, 19 plus 19. General term Tn equals minus 3n plus 19. Yes. Minus 3n plus 19. Which term of this pattern is 131? So I just clear this side. मैं पैत्ता clear करना. What is which term of this pattern is 130? Tn equals minus 131. So you can write here minus 3n plus 19 equals minus 131 minus 3n equals minus 131 minus 19 minus 3n. Here 9 and 1, 10. 1 remainder 5, 150. That is minus, right? Both sides divide by minus 3. This side also minus 3. N equals 50, positive 50, right? Which pattern, which term of this one is that? 50th term. N is equal 50. Term is minus 131, 50th term. Right. Then I will clear this. This one. Question number 9. Right. I just start to do this side. There are 12 seeds in the first row of a certain treat. But can you see this one paper? Chanu? Share වෙලා නේද තියෙන්නේ? I think so. Right. There are 12 seats in the first row of a certain theater. The remaining rows are arranged so that each row contains 5 seats, more than the preceding row. The seats are arranged in semicircular pattern. Write the number of seats in the first 5 rows. 12 seats in the first row. First row 12. Right? Written there. The remaining rows are arranged so that each row contains 5 seats more than the preceding. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 5, 27. Then 27 plus 5, 32. Then we can write like this, right? 12, 17, 22, 27, 32. Then this is the first 5 rows. The number of seats in first 5 rows. Express number of seats in nth row. That means you have to find the general term. Equals 12. Common difference. 17 minus 12, that is 5. Then you can write Tn equal first term 12. Common difference 5n plus first term 12 minus 5. Minus 7. There are 57 seats in the last row. Find the total number of rows of seats in the hall. 57 seats in the last row. Last row කියන්නේ how many rows are there? There are 12. එහෙනම් අහන්නේ කීයද n එක අහන්නේ. 57 seats in the last row. එහෙනම් Tn equals 57. Then you can write 5n minus 7 equals 57. Solve this one. 5n equals 57. Last row, find the number of rows in the seats. Then we have to take this minus 7 to other side. Then we have to add ne. මෙතන වැරදිලානේ 5n plus 7. මොකද මෙතන minus 7 නාවොත් add වෙනවනේ. So our general term එක වැරදි. හරි? එක sign එකේ mistake එක. Borrow this minus 7 to this side 7. Now 5n equals 50. Both side divide by 5. This side also by 5. n equals 10. How many rows are there? 10 rows are there. Okay. I think you finished the 9th one also. Next, shall we go to the 10th one then? Tenth. තව පොඩ්ඩයි තියෙන්නේ. 10th question. Tenth question. Start to do then. Tenth. Himan, who works in a private company, was offered a starting salary as 40,000 per year. 40,000 per year. He was entitled to an annual salary increasement of 10,000. What is his annual salary at the beginning of second year? It means now we have that normally beginning of the second year. This is 4,000, sorry 40,000. And next year it is starting 40,000 plus 10,000. That is how much? 50,000. Neither. So we can write first year 40,000. तर केला තියෙනවා per year he was entitled to an annual salary increment 10,000. And next second year it's become 40,000 plus 10,000 50,000. ඊට පස්සේ ඊළඟ year එකේ එනවා it is how much 60,000. මෙම යාගේ salary එක year එකෙන් year එකට 10,000 ගානේ increase වෙනවා. Right? So they are asking what is the annual salary of the beginning of the second year? 50,000. So we can write beginning of the second year. It is 40,000 plus 10,000. That is 50,000 rupees. Write down the annual salaries of Himan in the first 3 years. මෙහෙම ලියන්න පුළුවන් අපිට දැන්. මම මෙතන හෙකුවා. 40,000 50,000 60,000. Find the annual salary of the nth year of the terms of n. First term එක දන්නවනේ දැන් A. අපිට general term හොයන්න පුළුවන්. ගාන ලොකුනාට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Just write like this. First term is A. Common difference 50,000 minus 40,000. අපිට හම්බෙලානේ තියෙන එක. That is 10,000. Then පුතේ බය නැතුව අපේ general term එක හොයන formula එකට values ටික දාන්න. Tn equal, we found already what is that, common difference into n. Common difference is 10,000 into n plus first term 40,000. From that subtract 10,000. So here Tn equals 10,000 in 40,000 subtract 10,000, that is plus 30,000. එච්චරයි තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් අපේ find the annual salary in nth year, we can write TN equals 10,000 N plus 30,000. මේක තමයි general term එක. Find the salary in the 10th year. 10වෙනි අවුරුද්දේ කීයද කියලා අහනවා. T10. 10,000 into 10 plus 30,000. Kiyada then? 10,000 into 10, 100,000 plus 30,000. Kiyada අවුරුදු 10කට පස්සේ යාගේ annual salary is 130,000. අවුරුදු 10කට පස්සේ එයාගේ annual salary is this much, 130,000 rupees. Chanel, you understood this sum?
Yes, teacher.
All right. Okay, then just write down this 11 sum. අපිට තව sums තියෙන්නේ 12, 13, 14, 15. Another 4 more. Binary numbers එක next Tuesday evening කරමු. ඒක ඔයාලා තනියෙන් හදන්න පුළුවන් කට්ටිය. ක්ලාස් හිටපු නැති අයට මම ක්ලාස් ලින්ක් එක දීලා තිනේ. ඒක ක්ලාස් එකට ගිහිල්ලා වෙබ්සයිට් එකේ previous පාඩම් ටික බලලා කරන්න. හදන්න බලන්න. Okay, I will clear this. Next one. Eleventh question. Eleventh one. The college will display students are positioned so that the first row has 10 students, second row 13 students, third row has 16, and so on. Find the number of students in the nth row of the terms of n. Here, college display students are positioned so that the first row has 10. Second row 13. Third row 16. Find the number of students in nth row. In a general term, first term may 10, common difference 13 minus 10, that is 3. General term equal d into n plus a minus d. So you can write d is 3n plus first term make a 10 minus 3. 3n equals how much here? 7. Tn equals 7. Then you can write the general term Tn equals 3n plus 7. Tn plus 7. Right? Then we can write find how many students are there in the 9th row. Now we have to find T9. 3 into 9 plus 7. T9 equal 3 times 9, 27 plus 7. 7 and 7, 14. 1 remainder, 34. 9th row, okay, there are 34 students. Then which row has 52 students? So I just write general term is 3n plus 7, make a equals 52. Which term? කීවෙනි එකේද 52 ඉන්නේ කියලා. එහෙනම් කීවෙනි එක නම් භාගෙන්න බෑනේ නේද? හරි? එහෙනම් we can write here එක divisible වෙන්නත් ඕන. 3n equals 52. මෙතන plus 7 නේ. When you are borrowing plus 7 to other side, it's become minus 7. 3n equals 57 minus 7. How much here? 45. Both side divide by 3. 3n equals how much here? 15. Then 50th row. 15th row. N term of a number pattern 5n plus 2. Then find the n plus 1 term. N term has given 5n minus 2. මේක හදාගෙන ඉන්නකෝ. මේක හදලා ඉවරයිනේ නේද? Risada, did you finish this?
Yes, teacher.
Right. අපි කලින් මේ වගේ ගොඩක් හදලා තියෙනවා just this sum also. මේකේ මේ තියෙන general term has given tn equals 5n plus 2. මේකට substitute කරන්න තියෙන n plus 1. tn plus 1 equals 5 n plus 1 plus 2. Then tn plus 1 equals 5 into n 5n plus 5 plus 2. tn plus 1 equals 5n plus 7. මෙහෙම නෙන්නේ. හරි. ඊට පස්සේ අපි ඒක හොයාගත්ත 5n plus 7. Right, we can write the value here. tn plus 1 term equals 5n plus 7. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට හොයන්න තියෙන පුතේ minus එක n minus 1. Now we can write here t n minus 1 equals 5. Instead of n, substitute n minus 1 plus 2. tn minus 1 equals 5 into n 5n. 5 into 1 minus 5 plus 2. Minus into plus 2 පස්සේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ නේ. හරි. Yeah, right. t n minus 1 equals 5n and minus 5n plus 2, that is how much? Minus 3. 5n minus 3. Then we can write here 5n minus 3 equal tn minus 1. 5n minus 3. Now we got these two answers here. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට ඒකේ sums වගේක් හදන්න තියෙනවා. හරි, we got these two values. මතක තියාගන්න මේක 5n plus 2, 5n minus 3. So I will just clear it and go to the next sum. Did you finish this? Yes, ne? මම speed වැඩි නම් කියන්න. Okay. Find the eighth term. අපි හොයන්න තියෙන්නේ which term is 52? 5n plus 2 එකේ 8th term එක. Find the 8th term. Eighth term. මොකක්ද අපි general term එක දීලා තිබ්බේ? ඊයේද පුතේ ඒකේ general term එක දීලා තිබ්බේ මට මතක නැහැ. N plus 2 නේ. හරි. 8 term නේ. T8 equals 5 into 8 plus 2. T8 equals 40 plus 2. T8 equals 42. Which term of it is 52? 52 in which term කියලා අහන්නේ. එහෙනම් ප්‍රශ්නය නෑ 5n plus 2 equals 52. Then you can write 5n equals 52 minus 2. නේද? plus 2 මේ පැත්තට යද්දී minus 2. 5n equals 50 divide by 5 divide by 5. n equals 10. කෙවෙනි term එකද? 10th term. show that T20 equals T10 plus 50 කියලා පෙන්වන්නලු. එහෙනම් අපි මේ ඔකටම කලින් T10 එකයි T20 එකයි හොයන්න වෙනවා. එහෙනම් we have to find here T10 එක හොයමු. T10 equals 5n plus 2. T10 equals 5 into 10 plus 2. T10 equals 50 plus 2. T10 equals 52. ඔන්න T10 එක හොයාගත්තා 52 කියලා. ඊට T20 හොයමු බලන්න. T20 equals 5 into 20 plus 2. T20 equals 100 plus 2. T20 equals 102. So T20 එහෙනම් අපිට පෙන්නන්නලු. පුතේ මම මේ උඩ එක ඉරේස් කරනවා මෙතන. මම හිතනවා දැන් ඔයාලට හොඳටම මේ ගණන් ටික තේරිලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. හරි? එතන අපිට පෙන්නන්නලු T20 equals 100 sorry T10 plus 50 කියලා පෙන්නන්නලු. මේ බලන්න T20 කියලා අපිට කීයද ආවේ? 102 නේ. එහෙනම් T10 කියන්නේ කීයද? 52. ඒකට 50 ඇඩ් කරපුවාම කීයද? දෙපැත්තම 102 equals 102. එහෙනම් අපි ඒක පෙන්නුවා. That is true then. Show that common term of number pattern 24 20 16 is 4 7 minus n කියලා පෙන්වන්නලු. මේක ලියාගමු ඉස්සෙල්ලා 24 20 16 number pattern. 20 subtract 24 minus 4. 16 subtract 20 minus 4. First term A equals 24. Common difference is equal minus 4. And just we have to take the general term. T n equal first term එක කීයද? 24. n. නේද? first term එක common difference common difference එක minus 4n. Common difference into d ne minus 4n plus first term 24 minus kiyada 4. Tn equals general term එක minus 4n මේ minus 24n minus 4 කියන්නේ 8 නේ. minus into minus plus නේ 28. එහෙනම් පුතේ අපිට පෙන්නන්නලු මේක හරි කියලා. Tn equal මේ 28. 4n එක මෙහෙම ලියනවා minus 4n. දැන් මේ දෙන්නටම පොදු සාධකය මොකද්ද? 4 නේ. 4 common. Tn equals 4 is common. Just take the 4 out. 4 out එකට ගන්න. එතන ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ කීයද මෙතන? 7 minus n. උත්තරේ හරි. මේක එනවා. චනුලි එක තේරුණාද ගාන?
Yes, teacher.
හරි. Recently you also understood this.
Yes, teacher.
ඒක ටිකක් වෙනස් එකයි මම එවි තේරුණාද කියලා. හැබැයි I think same like earlier. අපිට තව එක ගානයි තියෙන්නේ. Our final sum. එකයි තියෙන්නේ. Yeah. 13 finish 14th one. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න. Only this. This one. Show that common term of number pattern 2, 2 and half, 3 and 1 second is half n3 නේද? මෙන්න මේක කියලා පෙන්වන්නලු. කොහොමද කරන්නේ? first term එක ලියන්න. එහෙම වෙලාවට don't get excited, first write the first term. Find the common difference. එහෙනම් previous terms of මේ term එක එකෙන් previous එක අඩු කරන්න. 2 and half minus 2 common difference is half නේ. මොකද whole number subtract whole number remaining fraction. Half is remaining. Then common difference is half. Then you already know general term equals common difference into n plus first term is 2 minus common difference is half. මේකනේ. එහෙනම් tn equals half n plus half. Right? Show that common term of the number pattern. General term of this is the one which came here. එහෙනම් අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් නේද? මේක 2 අයින් කරන්නයි ඕන නේද? 1 and half here remaining. Sorry, 1 and half. But the 2 subtract half is 1 and half නේ. But this one is came here. So we can write the answer Tn equals half n plus 1 and half. So මේ බලන්න half common නේ. Then Tn equals මෙන්න මෙයාව එළියට ගන්න. හරි? එතකොට n is remaining. මෙන්න මේ 1 and half is mean 2 times 1 2 and 1 3 නේ. 3 over 2 නේ. මෙන්න මේ half when we take it out is mean you have to divide it by half. Hari? Division is mean multiplication with reciprocal. Mean multiply from this. Remaining 3 ne. Then you can write plus 3. Half n plus 3 is the answer here. Find the common term of the number pattern. A equals minus 8. Difference. Minus 4 minus 8. Common difference is how much? Minus 4 plus 8, that is plus 4. Common difference is plus 4. Then now we have to write the general term. T n equal common difference 4 into n plus first term a minus 8 minus common difference is 4. Tn equals 4n minus 8 and minus 4 minus 12. Then you can write the general term Tn equals 4n minus 12. And we have finished the class now. Hari? We have finished the total paper. ඊය මම ඔයාලට 8 එකේ paper එකත් කරානේ. ඒතකොට ඒකත් කරා මේකත් කරා. Right? Then your grade 9 is finished. Then I have to do the binary number. So I am going to take the Tuesday for that. Before that, you have the max class on Saturday. That is 10 to 12. Grade 9 class is on 10 to 12. So I finished the class then. Bye.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Okay.